Let's see how to change the background color in Wix. Customizing the background color in Wix allows you to enhance your website's visual appeal and maintain brand consistency. In this tutorial, we'll go through a simple step-by-step process to modify the background with the Wix editor. First, you need to open your Wix account on your browser. Once you're in, click the template you created and click Design Your Website. Then, click the panel you wanted to change the background. Once you've selected it, click the Change Background button. After that, you could choose whether you wanted to pick a color, image, or even a video as your background. In this case, I'll pick the color, then click the plus button to add new color. Then use the color picker and then click Apply to view changes. And that's it. That's how you change background color in Wix. See you soon.